My name is Airy Peralta, and I am a doctoral student at the University of Colorado Boulder in the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology. I study pikas and the effects of climate change on its populations. The American pika is a small mammal from the family of the rabbits and hares. It inhabits rocky slopes in the alpine environment. And it's considered the canary in the coal mine for climate change. This is mostly because this species is sensitive to changes in temperature. Therefore, studying how changes in climate will affect its population, it will not only provide valuable information to assess what happened to this species population, but also to assess what would happen to other species that inhabit the same environment. We are currently collecting data to test the most current species distribution model developed for American pika in Rocky Mountain National Park. A species distribution model is a tool used for conservation. However, most of these models are tested against computer-generated data. Therefore, we started collecting field data since 2016 to test this model to improve accuracy. And this is a great accomplishment because long-term data it's not common due to the cost of collecting it. The data is collected annually by volunteers of the Front Range Pika Project and the scientists of the Niwot Ridge Long-Term Ecological Research Site. This data will be used to assess the performance of the model. In other words, we want to evaluate whether the model succeeds or fails to predict the pike occupancy we observed in the field. However, this model might not be 100% accurate because it only accounts for climatic environment at large scales that is usually collected in weather stations, which are located 2 meters above the ground and separated by several kilometers. Therefore, this summer we started to use small sensors to collect temperature and humidity in smaller scales in pika habitat under the rock, which should represent better the environment these animals experience. To record the microclimates that pika experience through the year, we place these onset sensors, usually the deepest we can, greater than half a meter under the rocks. Enhancing the model performance will be an excellent advance for species management because it will allow us to do more accurate predictions. It will also give us some insights on water resources that are tied to pika habitat and that might get lost as climate change advances.